Amazon recently started changing their interface in Seller Central. One of the affected pages is the Upload Shipping Plan page. If you prefer to create your shipments in Seller Central by using our Download Shipping Plan option in the Close Batches page, this will affect you potentially. Currently, if you go to the Inventory tab, select Manage FBA Shipments, and then Upload Shipping Plan File, as you normally have in the past, some accounts will show the previous version of the interface, and so nothing changes for you. Since you've downloaded the shipping plan file from Closed Batches, it's in the correct format. You skip step 1 and go right to step 2 and followed with step 3. However, if Amazon has changed your account to show the new interface, when you go to Manage FBA Shipments and then click on Upload Shipping Plan File, you'll be greeted with a new interface. This current interface will not work with the shipping plan file you download from the Closed Batches page in InventoryLab. In order to use that file, you need to switch back to the old workflow by clicking here. Once you switched, you'll then be able to upload your shipping plan file as you normally have. Our developers are working on a solution for this, but in the meantime, you can use the workaround to continue to upload your shipping plan files. We'll announce in-app and also via email when the solution is in place.